All right, guys. So this is a tutorial video for the two Excel files which I had mentioned earlier in my video. So there are going to be two files. One is going to be stats file and another one is going to be sales related files. I'll take you through step by step how to make use of these files. All right. So first of all, once I think I am already inside this screen, which is AI marketing. What I need to do first is I need to go to the stats section. So what I do every day. So now I have just woken up in the morning and I'm trying to make use of the sales data to create my files. So this is what has happened yesterday. So I got $28.11 worth of sale. So what I'll do first, I will go to the stats section. The same thing will be reflected over there as well. Okay, it's loading. Uh, I think it takes time when I am on a recording mode. It didn't come here. So you come here at the stats section and you will see that cashback amount is $28.11. So this is my stats file. Once I'm here, all I need to do is I need to just create one more space. So I will say insert one above. So I have created one space for this new data to come in. Now I'll go back to my file, which is here. I'll just copy over this data from here till the end here. I'll come over here, just paste from here to here. So you see that from here to up till cashback, it is filled. There are two columns which are still not filled. So these columns I need to fill. I'll have to just put it in some other color. So these are the ones which I fill. What is over here is overall spend. So until yesterday on 7/7, I had spent around $1,524.74. When I come over here, I see that it is $1,548.16. So I just have to copy it, copy, come here, and paste it over here. That's it. Once I paste it over here, I need to know that what amount I had spent yesterday. So I just copy this, the next cell, and paste it over here. So what it does, it just copies over the formula from here. So it is nothing but when you double click on it, you will see that I am subtracting from today's spent amount uh, to the earlier spent amount. So which is yesterday. Today's amount minus yesterday's amount is my cost. So this amount does not show over anywhere in the software. So that I have to manually calculate. That is why I've created this formula. Once this is done, everything here will change. What will happen over here is these are all calculated formulas. You will see that this is my total cashback, which is 3062.8. When you come here, you will see that 3062.8 is already calculated. It just takes the cashback totally and then sum it up. Total cost is the one which is over here. It just copies over the data from here, or rather just submit up this column, cost column fully. Total profit is what I calculate here is, this is my total cashback till date. This is my total cashback. This is my total cost. So using these two only, I come up with the total profit. So this is the actual profit, not the profit which is shown over here. You can understand the 1664.24 is using this amount and overall budget amount, which is not right. I think you can understand this. I still have some money left out of 1864, which is 1864 minus 1548 is what I come over here and see. This is $316 is left with me. Finally, remaining days is like how many days are still remaining when I'm spending 23.42, which is nothing but divide this 316.70 with the cost. So I will get, like, I have money left for 13 or almost 14 days. So when you look at the formula, you need to change this because it generally takes the next cell. So you come here and make it G8. G8 is nothing but the last one. You need to know because this cost amount keeps changing. As you can see that earlier it was 18.44, 20.77, now it is 23.42. So using the latest spend amount and remaining balance, you will come up with the remaining days. So all these are important. You need to know that how many days worth of amount is remaining. This is one. And then how much amount is remaining also you need to know, right? So this is why this sheet is important. This data point, all these data points you will not find anywhere. So that is why I have created this sheet. This another thing is this current balance. Current balance is, you can see that right now it is 1864.86, which is right now. But what if I am using this cashback to top up? So what I'll do is I'll use this amount and do a top up again. So I'll go here, top up section. You can see 35.65 is there. So I'll use $35 now and I'll pay. So what will happen is it will replenish my account. So $35 is gone from here. Now I have $135 in ad balance. Now when you come to stats part, you will see that your advertisement budget is still this, because they have not taken this $135 yet. Once this balance becomes zero, the amount will come here, and that time you have to come and change this amount as well. You have to always look at what is your current balance, which is over here. Always look at this and copy this. This is the amount you have to copy. So this is all about this sheet. We are done here. Now look at the numbers. So you got 17 sales over here. Now I have to copy over the data of sales. What I'll do is next thing is I will go to the sales tab. Now I'm on the sales tab, and as I discussed, I have got almost how many sales? You remember? 17 sales. So I'll come to sales sheet. This is my sheet. Okay, I had filtered earlier. Just let me remove the filter. Okay. Now what I have to do is, this is my sales sheet. I'll discuss the columns also in detail later. But right now, whatever you see over here, from here to here, is what you have to copy. These are my calculated data as it happened in the other sheet. These are my calculated numbers. But other thing you just have to copy over. So sales, I'm here. So I've got 17 sales. So I need to include 17 rows first. So what I'll do is I just say insert 17 rows here. Now I come over to my sales data. All I need to do is just copy over this. This is the way. So these are the 10 rows first. Copy. Come back to the sheet. Come here. Click on this first row and first column and copy paste. So from here to here it is copied. Now you have to go to the second one, which is okay. You have to go now to the second tab, because there are 17 data points. So you can see that till here I have to copy, because this is what is the sales data till yesterday, right? 8/7. So I copy from here to here again, not till the end, because I have to copy only data for 8th July. So I just copy, come here and then copy paste. So you can see that from here to here the data is filled. But again, what about these columns? They are not calculated, right? So all you've got to do is just copy this last this row, which is the first one after the blank. Copy, Control C, come here and then just copy and paste, Control V. Now once you do Control C, Control V, everything is a formula based column, and it will all be calculated and put in over here. All right. So you can see that this is the sales data which I have copied over from here. So this is the first sheet, which is, let me just rename also, say called sales data, so that you guys are not confused. This is the sales data. Now you see that there is a pivot table which is making use of the data of this sales data. I'll come to this later. Last one is withdrawal. Withdrawal is where you will you will fill the data of whatever top up you are doing. So for example, till 8th yesterday night I had filled the data $10. Just now I filled it with $35. I have to copy it over. So you have to come to the top up section. For that, go to the top up history. When you come here in top up history, see this data I had copied already. Now this is the one which I just did now on 9th of July morning now. So I'll just copy from here to here. Control C again. Come here, insert a row here and paste. So once I paste the data, you see the $35 come, and then this amount is also changed, which I make use of in my other sheet, which I'll show you. And again, just change this cashback to add top up, because this is how I understand. Add top up is the top up which I'm doing on AI marketing. Cashback is something which I get when someone under my downline makes use of this money. So why I keep it as negative is because of the reason that I need to know that what amount I'm getting. So this is something which automatically gets added to my ad balance, so I need to remove it. What is the use of it? I'll show you now. So this is what you got to do. You did this add top up. This is done. All the copying over data part is done. So you copied data on sales data sheet. You copied on withdrawal. If you don't have any data in withdrawal, you don't have to do anything. Whenever you do a top up only, then you have to come here. Or whenever you get a cashback from other people, when basically they are making use of basically they are topping up their account and they are your download, then you become as cashback. Finally, is Kraken withdrawal is the amount which you withdraw from your account. So this is also has to be in positive. So let me just write it over here so that you are clear. Add top up is nothing but add top up. You have to put it in positive, and that is, you just have to put it this is positive, and this amount is what is your top up amount, cashback top up amount. All right. Then you have second thing which is called cashback. Cashback has to be put in negative. All right. You have to put it in negative, and this is nothing but the amount which you get from here, which is here. You can come to cashback section, and then you see that this is the cashback amount I'm talking about. So what I do is, whenever there is a cashback like 7.54 which came on 22nd July, you can see that I put it on 2nd July, but that amount I put it in negative, right? This is the cashback from downline. And then the final one is Kraken withdrawal. Your withdrawal, it's for me, I just withdraw to Kraken, so I am calling it Kraken. This is my withdrawal, and this is to be put in positive. And basically, this is your withdrawal amount, which you withdraw to your account, withdrawal amount. All right. So this is how you do it. So till now, you can see that 1223.04 is the amount which I've got. Why I did that is what I'll show you now. So now come to pivot table. This formula is also already done for you. You don't have to do much over here. It's just that it calculates that every day how much amount AI marketing is owing to you. So I generally look at the day, which is a 0th day, which is day of today. So what it says over here is that using all the top ups. These are the columns. Sorry, let me just explain to you. So these two columns are coming from automatically from the pivot table which I've created. These two columns are more like my calculated column. So what I do is I look at what is the aggregate value every day. So it is nothing but it is just summing it up. Like this is when you look at this is nothing but sum of these two. This is sum of these three. So till today, whatever amount I have earned is what is calculated in aggregate column. You can understand, right? So till now, I have earned around $1,243 is what it says. Come here on withdrawal, you will see it's saying only 1,223. Why? Because I have subtracted this cashback and this amount, and this is what will be reflected in the other column. Is this that till today after spending or so basically whatever cashback amount I've got, there are only three ways to spend. If you can understand, only two ways. Either I can top up or I can withdraw, right? So this is what I have done till date. I have done some top up, I have withdrawn some amount, but this cashback part, whatever you are seeing, it is coming from the sales which I'm generating, right? This is not taking into account this amount which is coming from my downline, right? That is the reason I'm subtracting this amount from my cashback. All right. So this is again another balance column which tells you that as on today, what is the amount you are supposed to receive more? So what it means is, after doing everything, I'm still supposed to receive $20 here. So here almost $19 is still supposed to come today. My cashback every day, whatever amount gets replenished, will be shown over here. It gives me an idea as to how much amount every day I will be getting. That is the reason I have created this balance column. Balance is as on date, what is the balance amount I'm supposed to receive, right? So this is also a calculated column. You don't have to do anything. I'm just explaining you the columns. All right. Come towards the end. Since you have added these new rows, right? What has happened is there is another row which has got added over here automatically. So all you need to do is copy these two, because these are automatically calculated. These two columns are automatically calculated, but these are my calculated columns. So I have to just copy and drag it down. So once I drag it down, it is now row number is now 123. So there is another final change you have to do. Come to the graph, click on it, and then go to data range. And when you go to data range, you can see it was only 122. You make it 123 here. Here also you make it 123. What it means is that now you are covering the entire range from here to here for showing up on the graph. So that's all the changes you need to do. Using the data now, you can see that once you are here, you have a good idea, first of all, that whatever you are going to get every day. So you can see today I was supposed to get $43, out of which $23 I've got, $20 is remaining. This is another one. Tomorrow I'll be getting $36. Day after tomorrow, $57, 41. So this gives you an idea as to every day how much amount you will be receiving. This also makes it easier for you to know that what amount you want to withdraw, what amount you want to reinvest and stuff. So if you can see over here in stats column, I have got almost 316 right now, and then 135 is almost there. So I'm nearing $500. This is what I was thinking, that I will make it $500 to $700 in my account. So maybe next 2-3 days I will be replenishing my account, and then the next 2-3 days I will be withdrawing, is what is my plan. So this makes it easier for you to withdraw. All right. So these are the two files I wanted to explain how to basically update these files. All right. All you need to do is first you go over and then copy this sheet, because these are my data. You will have to just go ahead and then delete all these rows, and finally just copy it the way I explained you. Don't touch these cells. Only these cells you need to delete, and then start inserting your own data. All right. So that's all I wanted to talk in this video. If you have any questions, then you can write to me at digitalkarmic@gmail.com. This is one of my IDs, and I'll be happy to answer your queries. Right? Thank you so much. I'll put my email ID over here as well. If you have any questions, you can write to me. All right. That's all. Thank you.